Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to carry on with the screen shake again, and we're going to begin at the very top of the script. Now, because we are attaching this to the cameras, we shouldn't need this line, but we're going to put it in anyway just to be certain. So open and close square brackets, inside required component, open and close brackets again, inside type of, another set of brackets, and audio source. So I'll quickly just put this into the comments. And then we'll come and we'll create a few more variables. So type private, type bool. And we'll call this shake initiated. Let's close that line off. Into the comments, defines if the shake effect has been initiated. You could put started as well. And we'll come here, we're going to say of type private, and this time of audio source, underscore shake audio source. Close that off. We'll put this into the comments. Let's say creates variable to store the audio source component, and this time we want of type public, and this one is going to be of type or audio clip underscore, let's use shake screen audio. Close that off, and again straight into the comments. So with that done, we can actually come to the void start. These can go anywhere in the function, but I'm going to start here with grabbing the audio source component. So shake audio source, get component, in brackets audio source, come to the end of the line, open and close brackets, close the line off. Straight into the comments, and we're just going to say that that variable is equal to the audio source component. So I'm running through these fairly quickly because we've done this sort of thing many times before. Underscore shake audio source dot loop, and we'll set that to equal false. Now this shouldn't be needed as we are just going to use the play one shot, but I just like to put it in anyway. And I'm just putting that we're going to set that to false on start up. And then we'll just add the underscore shake initiated is also going to be equal to false on startup. So again, let's get that straight into the comments. So we're just going to scroll down to the top of the shake screen function, right at the very top. Now this is important where these lines of code go. So at the top of the function shake initiated double equals true. Quickly put this into the comments. And we'll return. And we'll just put as normal in the comments. So here I'm going to, let's have a look. Yeah, we can put the code here. Underscore shake audio source dot play one shot. Open and close brackets. Inside the brackets we're going to use the shake screen audio, so that's the audio clip. We'll close the line off, we'll put that into the comments. And I'm just going to put that we're just going to play that audio clip. And we're also going to come to the enumerator shake, and we're going to put right at the bottom here, shake initiated is going to equal false. Let's close that line off. Into the comments to equal false. Oh, I just forgot. Let's just copy that line. Just forgot to set that to true here. So we'll just paste that in and change false to true in the line and in the comment. So let's save all that off. We'll just allow the script to recompile. We'll come to the first scene. And we'll assign a audio clip. So just having a quick I'll just use this one for now. I'll replace the audio clip when needed. So let's have a look at these values. Camera position modifier, I'm going to change to 0.25, and the shake time to 0.5. Now you will need to find an appropriate audio clip to go with the shake time, so I recommend actually experimenting with the values first and then finding and assigning an audio clip that suits. So we'll come back to the splash screen. Just remember to save. Let's hit play. And I'll just grab the controller. The sound effect, obviously it's way too loud, way too long, and it's just not suitable at all. But I will find one that's more suitable. I'm just going to mute the audio again just so we can see the camera shake effect. So we'll leave this here for now. As I said, you will need to experiment. I will need to find a different audio clip, but it is working now. We'll move on. We'll do a few other things. We'll probably come back and make some updates to the script at a later date, but for now I want to move on and do other things. But as I said, we'll end the video here. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And as always, until then, bye for now.